Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what Dress to Impress has been hiding. Well, not really hiding, but I know the hot dog and the cupcake costume is no longer where it is. So to find the cupcake costume, it's near Lana's salon. It's behind the vase here. I don't know why they had to put it there. We're just going to see that it's right here on the corner. For the hot dog costume, we're just going to go near the VIP room. It's like in one of these. Okay, it's here. So it's across from the hat section. And next to the accessories, you're just going to see that the hot dog costume is still there, but it's just a little bit hidden. Um, what else is hidden? I think that's pretty much it, really. Oh, maybe some of the toggles you don't know yet. Like this is the lace train skirt. And then the wings are also toggled. There's a bunch of like new toggles as well. Maybe you did not know. Look how cute and tiny these wings are. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.